welcome to our discussion session. Today's discussion is on a very fun and interesting topic, I would say. There are two matrimonial systems in practice, love marriage and arranged marriage. Which one do you support and why? আমি আপনাদের ফরম্যাট বলে দিচ্ছি কিভাবে বলবেন। We all know that there are two matrimonial systems in practice in Bangladesh, that is love marriage and arranged marriage. According to my sincere judgment, I support love marriage over arranged marriage. Then that's why I want to talk about in favor of love marriage. Why do I support love marriage? Why do I give preference to love marriage? Then, first of all, I'd like to draw your attention to this point. Secondly, this point. Thirdly, this point. Fourthly, this point. Then you can explain and you can support your point by giving examples. তাহলে আপনি প্রথমে দুইটার মধ্যে কোনটা সাপোর্ট করেন সেটা বলবেন, কেন সাপোর্ট করেন সেটার জন্য আপনি first of all, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, fifthly, and why and these are the reasons I support arranged marriage. এরকম করে বলবেন। First of all, I want to go to Mr. Monwar. Hello, Mr. Monwar. How are you today? And can you participate today's discussion?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome,
Alhamdulillah, sir. I am very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. How about you, sir?
I'm fine by the grace of Allah as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I want to say, and I will favor love marriage. Even though my marriage was arranged marriage, but I want to say tonight, about love marriage. There are two matrimonial system in our country. Specifically, no need about say specifically arranged marriage and love marriage. Tonight, I would say love marriage. There are few advantages or love marriage. For example, mutual understanding, freedom of choice, better compatibility, breaking social barriers. If I explain about the bullet point, mutual understanding, love marriage are usually based on mutual understanding and emotion connection. Couple know each other better, and communication. Freedom of choice. It allows individuals to choose their life partner based on personal preference, compatibility, and feelings. Another one, breaking social barriers. Love marriage can challenge social norms, breaking barriers like caste, religion, or class, promoting equality and inclusivity.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity. Now I am going to talk about in favor of love marriage. Love marriage, that means it is permissible. One will choose one, but the marriage will be held with two family members and other relatives, with other relatives. Divorce percentage is arranged marriage 4% and in love marriage 40%, but not 54%. I think divorces are increased due to freedom and self-employment. There is a words who wants to live without freedom. At this time, nobody wants to live without freedom. I think love and arrange does not matter. Everybody wants their freedom.
Okay.
So I totally disagree with the love marriage. Though we are Muslim, we need to respect our religion. So in the love marriage, there are so many problem before marriage. They go out each other, and now world is more how they call this. Everyone have a smartphone and laptop, So this is really totally not allow our religion. So I prefer arranged marriage, and also love marriage. According to Shima Haldar, uh, love marriage divorce percentage is 40%. So better to take decision to arrange marriage. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you very much, sir. Hope you well.
You're
And
welcome. Yes, I am.
I would like to thank for giving me this chance
Mhm.
to speak about love marriage and settled marriage. So the discussion here, I obviously like to go love marriage because I have also same. Uh, and I will give some advantage or disadvantage, which is advantage is love marriage is own decision, which is when couple they can take decision, and they know each other, and they are mutual understanding, and they can make a future plan before going to the sitting on the marriage. So these things can possible love marriage, but is there have some less support from the family or social, as you know, our Muslim culture, they are not supporting to love marriage, and they are also not accepting overall. But it will for the love marriage, it will more understanding. It will make more understanding with life partner, and also giving support to spouse, especially, and he's taking care of him, her, him both. So I like to prefer for love marriage, and arranged marriage also. I should say, like, arranged marriage also on kind of good things, but there have only family decision. There is no other option, only family decision. But family members are giving more support if arranged if is arranged marriage, and also there are less problem between families with its families for the arranged marriage. But less acceptance means is they have less acceptance with uh, both family, means is couple families. What can I say? Both family. That means is শ্বশুরবাড়ি আর হচ্ছিল মেয়ের শ্বশুরবাড়ি, both. Sorry. So that is one kind of things. So as usual, in conclusion, I can say choosing uh, between love marriage and arranged marriage ultimate depend on personal values. So I would say love marriage is the best.
Hello, Miss Pia. Can you unmute your mic and can you participate in the discussion? What's your position?
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Marriage is very important for our life. It is a part of our life. Between two matrimonial system, I like love marriage most because success of a man or a woman depends on her or his life partner. Because without a supportive husband or wife, we can't go. We can't do anything, especially the woman. Without supportive husband, they can't do job.
Sir, I will give preference arranged marriage over a love marriage. Although my dear bro Anwar cleared this topic, but I would like to share my opinion. Arranged marriage, it's called when our parents decide and choose a life partner for us in future. And we know arranged marriage is very natural for us. If you enjoy your life, you must get arranged marriage. There are a lot of advantage of arranged marriage. First of all, respect is always seems to see arranged marriage between them, but love marriage always cannot see. Then, then family always say happy if you get arranged marriage. That's all for the time being. Thanks for having your patience.
Okay, well.